SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off typing sounds on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you don't like the sounds that you hear when you're typing on your keyboard, then you have the option to disable them. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Sounds and Haptics option, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu and then find the Keyboard Feedback option. Now here you can turn off the sound option if you don't want to hear the typing sounds, and you can also choose to turn off the haptic option if you don't want to feel the vibration feedback as well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.